My dear beloved viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to give the integral values of inverse trigonometric functions. That is sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x and cot inverse x. Frequently, he may ask either sin inverse x or cos inverse x or tan inverse x or cot inverse x. Frequently, he may also ask secant inverse x and cosecant inverse x. So, first of all, I have to do one by one. Okay. So, evaluate integral of sin inverse x dx. In the previous video, I had to give the sin h inverse x, cos h inverse x and tan h inverse x. Okay. In the same way, here in this video, sin inverse x. So, how to solve this one? Let I is equal sin inverse x. Let I is equal sin inverse x. So, for the inverse trigonometric functions, always consider the second function must be unity, either in logarithm functions or special type of function like root of a square minus x square minus a square, or a square plus x square. The second function must be considered as unity. So, here sin inverse x into 1 dx. Okay. Now, here f of x is equal sin inverse x. So, first function. So, derivative of this one. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. And second function, g of x is equal to 1. For the second function, always you have to find integral value. So, integral of 1 dx uses x. Okay. So, you see, now what is the by parts formula? Integration by parts. Integral f of x into g of x dx is equal. So, first function into integral of second function minus derivative of integral value of derivative of first function into integral value of second function. Okay. Here, this is the formula. So, clearly this is f of x and this is g of x. Okay. According to the order of the letters of the word I late. So, I means inverse trigonometric functions, A means algebraic functions. Which letter comes first? I. I means inverse. So, inverse considered as first function. Okay. Therefore, I is equal, you see, first function. What is the first function? Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Okay. Into integral value x minus f dash x 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integral value x. Okay. So, you see x into sin inverse x. Okay. Minus integral of x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. You see, keenly observe this one, f dash x by root f x, 2 root f. But here you see derivative of 1 is 0, whereas minus x square derivative is minus 2x. So, what you have to do? Multiply by minus 2 with numerator, divide by same one. Multiply, divide by minus 2 only. Multiply and divide by minus 2. Okay. So, here just you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 2. So, x into sin inverse x. So, minus here minus 1 by 2. Because the derivative of this one is minus 2x. So, to obtain minus 2x means you have to multiply and divide by minus 2. Okay. Here minus 2 divide, here minus 2 multiply. Okay. So, so clearly f dash x by root f of x. Here is the formula for you. F dash x by root of f of x dx integral value is equal to root f of x is equal to root f of x. This is the formula for you. Okay. So here if you observe f dash x by root f of x gives us 2 root f of x. So here is the x into sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x. So this 2 get cancelled. So finally I is equal x sin inverse x sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is the integral value of sin inverse x. So finally you should write like this: integral value of sin inverse x, integral of sin inverse x dx is equal x sin inverse x x sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, sin inverse x integral value x sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. Okay, here is the solution. Okay, you also remember this as the formula for sin inverse x. Integral of sin inverse x is nothing but x into root of x sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus x sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Next one, cos inverse x. Next one, cos inverse x. You see, same one. Here also, same one. Second one, to evaluate cos inverse x. Cos inverse x dx. Okay, cos inverse x dx. Okay. So second one. So cos inverse x dx. Cos inverse x dx. That means second function always you should consider as cos inverse x into 1 dx. Always you should consider the second function must be 1. Must be 1 only, always. Okay. Here to solve cos inverse x. To solve cos inverse x means just you have to consider the second function as 1. So for the first function always you should find derivative. What is the derivative of this one? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Here for the second function what you have to do? Integral value. So here is the second function. G of x is equal to 1. Integral of g of x dx is equal to integral 1 dx. So integral 1 value is x. So here is the by parts formula. Integral f of x g of x dx is equal to f of x first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function with respect to x whole. Okay. So clearly here you see same one. That's why I didn't rub this one. Here first function. What is the first function? Cos. Cos. So cos inverse x. Here first function is cos inverse x. Cos inverse. Here is the first function. Okay. first function into integral of second one. Next, derivative of first function is nothing but minus 1 by into integral value. So here x into cos inverse x. Okay. Here you see minus, here minus 1 into x. Here minus into minus plus. Here minus into minus plus. So to obtain the derivative of this one means you have to multiply divided by minus 2. So minus 2 into 1 by 2. So here plus is there. Okay. Same one. Here x into cos inverse x. Here also x into cos inverse x. Okay. Okay. Here plus into minus minus. Here plus into minus minus. Same result. No change in this one. X cos inverse x. X cos inverse x minus root of 1 minus x square. So integral value of cos inverse x. Integral value of cos inverse x dx is equal x cos inverse x cos inverse x minus x cos inverse x minus root of 1 minus x square. For sin inverse x sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus c. Whereas cos inverse x, integral value x into cos inverse x minus root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Next one, tan inverse x. Next one, tan inverse x. Integral, you see, third one, integral tan inverse x. Integral tan inverse x. To evaluate, third one, integral tan inverse x. Tan inverse x dx. Okay. Tan inverse x dx. So same method, same formula. Here to evaluate this one means simply what you have to do. Let I is equal integral I is equal. So to evaluate, let I is equal simply integral tan inverse x dx. Tan inverse x dx. So to evaluate such integrals, what you have to do, simply consider the second function as unity 1. So consider the second function must be unity. So tan inverse x into 1 dx. Okay, simply. Now you have to consider this as f of x and this as g of x. So here f of x is equal tan inverse x. Okay. Here g of x is equal to 1. For the first function, what you have to do, always derivative. For the first function, what you have to do, derivative. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Here for the second function, what you have to do, integral value of second function. That means simply 1 dx. So integral value of 1 is x. Okay. Now write down the by parts formula. Integral f of x into g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function minus derivative of first function into integral of second function. Derivative of first function into integral of second function. So I is equal simply first function tan inverse x f of x. Integral value is x. Okay. Integral value is x. Okay. Minus derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Here x. Okay. Here x value. Okay. So you see, next step I have to rewrite again. Another step for this one. Here clearly x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Okay. You see derivative of this one is nothing but this one, for this one 0, for this one 2x. Here only x is there. That means what you have to do? Multiply, divide by 2. So x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay. So f dash x by f of x. So x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. Which formula? F dash x by f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x is equal log f of x. Log f of x. This is the formula you have to use. Okay. F dash x by f of x dx is equal to integral of log modulus f of x. Okay. Modulus f of x. Okay. So therefore integral tan inverse x dx is equal x tan inverse x minus half into log of 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So first one is sin inverse x. For sin inverse x, what is the integral value? X into sin inverse x plus root of 1 minus x square plus c. For integral value of cos inverse x is x into cos inverse x minus root of 1 minus x square plus c. Whereas here you see integral of tan inverse x dx is equal x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. For tan inverse x, x tan inverse x. For each and every problem like this, for sin inverse x, first term is x sin inverse x. Okay, like this. For tan inverse x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So this is the third one. Okay. Next. Cot inverse x. Fourth one, cot inverse x. Okay. Cot inverse x. Cot inverse x. You see, fourth problem, cot inverse x. Cot inverse x dx. Okay. So cot inverse x. So cot inverse x into 1. So here f of x is what? Cot inverse x. Okay. Here f of x is equal cot inverse x. Okay. Cot inverse x. So derivative of this one is nothing but for cot inverse x derivative minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So same function, same formula, no change this one. Here just you have to change. Instead of tan inverse, you should write cot inverse only. First, in the first part, you should write cot inverse. Okay. Here cot inverse. Here cot inverse x into x. Derivative of this one is minus. Next, minus into minus plus. So x cot inverse x. X cot inverse x. X cot inverse x. Okay. Same one. X cot inverse x. X cot inverse x. Minus and minus plus. Okay. Here is the, again I have to rewrite x cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 into. So finally here integral of cot inverse x. Cot inverse x is equal dx is equal x into cot inverse x. X into cot inverse x plus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus x square plus c. So for both sin inverse and cos inverse are same one, only plus and minus. also for the function. Whenever tan inverse x1 means, just you should write x tan inverse x, whereas here x cot inverse x. Here plus, in the previous one minus 1 by 2. Okay. So definitely I have to give the some more solutions for this regarding integration problems. So if you like this video, please give me one like. At the same time, if anyone not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also click on bell icon. Okay. So if you think it is very much useful for the others means, please share it. Also give me your artful comments on your comment box. Okay. Thank you very much.